at the water. Everybody, this is Honduras. The water is enough. Look at the trees. This is the resort we came to. This is not normal. Not in my dreams, or I don't know. Hi, Laura.
Hi. Paradise.
Yeah, that's what you could say.
Paradise. Lay down.
This is mine and Laura's little hut
It's our hut for the day.
for the day.
I mean, this is unbelievable.
This is not normal.
For a cruise.
Night Duster, we're on a cruise, but now we're in a hut.
Yes. And there's no husband and no son right now.
Oh my God, this is the best feeling in the world.
And it's only $25 a person.
Don't listen to her. Yes, everybody, it was only $25 to come here. I wasn't squealing, but I guess now we must have to. Sorry.
Private beach. Tell
Our own private beach just for us and about 14 gajets.
That's it.
Look at the water. This is the water. Wait. That's the water. This is the sand.
It feels like we're in paradise.
And the gajot's bringing us our drinks. You know that.